Welcome to the National Agriculture in the Classroom e-learning webpage. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Journey 2050 resources inside of your learning management system, or how to share links with your students. The Journey 2050 modules are found in both grade 6, 8, and through grade bands 9, 12. These instructions here apply to both. If you open the Journey modules, you'll find that there are several lessons, and the first link here is a teacher's guide. I encourage you to take a look at this teacher's guide because it will explain how to set up an account on Journey 2050 where students' scores are logged and come directly to your own account. This will document what they've done in each one of these lessons. But if you look at each lesson, you'll notice that there is a PDF or a Google Doc. If you are using a learning management system such as Google Classroom, a Google Doc may be what you prefer. Or if you're using Canvas, you may prefer to use a PDF, and Google Classroom, of course, will take both. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use both the PDF and a Google Doc for you to access and add to your own learning management, or for you to share as a link. So when you open up, you can open immediately with a Google Doc, but remember this is a PDF, so you'll want to download it. If you're using the Google Classroom, you'll grab the Google Doc. But if you're using a PDF, go ahead and download it. Select the account that you want to put it in. This is an important step right here, so you can put it into the right drive. And now this is downloaded, in my case, to my desktop. You may have it going into a folder called My Downloads. Then you open up the Google Drive where you would like to have this stored if you're using Google Classroom, and you can simply drag it on into your Google Drive. If you're using Canvas, drag it into your file management system in Canvas so that you can link it that way. Either way, you need to go ahead and download it using this button right here. That'll give you the download to the actual PDF. Student instructions in your learning management system should say something like, please open this PDF and follow these steps, beginning with step 1 and watching the video. Respond to these questions here, and then you can return it back, have it as an assignment that is submitted, or if you're in a Google Classroom, you can have it submitted back to you as a Google Doc. All right, so that's one way to share it using the PDF. I might also draw your attention here for folks who just want to share the link and have students download it directly and not go through a learning management system. You simply click on this button here, share, grab a link, it's copied to your clipboard, and now you can send that out via email or any other form of communication where students are getting online links. So that's a way to share out that PDF. Now, taking a look back then at the Google Doc. If you are using Google Classroom, this may be a simpler way for you. You can still go ahead and download it. It will download as a docx file in the same way that you had the PDF downloaded. And then you can use that as a Word file. You can import it back into your own system, and into a Google Drive and into a Google Doc. Or you can simply open with Google Docs and do that by clicking here. And now if it's associated with your account, you can open up that doc and students can begin to respond that way. Hopefully this has helped you then to use the resources. They're all the same inside of the modules for Journey 2050. You can either use them as a PDF, you can use them as a Google Doc by opening them in Google Docs. And even if you change accounts, it should work. I'm going to go here to a separate account, open with Google Docs, and it will open into whatever account that you have, and then you can share it out with your students. So hopefully that gets you started with using Journey 2050 to increase agricultural literacy and cover a great deal of science and social studies curricula in your classroom.